Hi there, tech managers. Give me a few minutes and I'm going to show you how to build your dream tech career, command a salary of at least $200K a year, and build a life of impact, joy, and freedom. If you're a manager, director, or VP of software engineering, IT, information security, or data analysis, or if you're a technical product or project manager, or if you lead teams of techies to solve long-term, complex problems, pay very close attention because this video has the power to transform your career and your life. My name is Jen Bunk. I'm a career coach for tech managers and CEO of the People Stack. Over the past 6 years, we've helped hundreds of committed technical managers build their dream careers, like our client, Ravi. He leveraged our systems and support to land a brand new dream job with over $500K in total compensation, and he wasn't even on the job market. His mission was so dialed in, and he communicated it with such confidence that he was offered a job with only one informal interview. And when Ravi declined because he didn't want to leave his team, they said, "I admire you so much for that. Invite your team to join you." And so he did, and now he's making more of an impact, and he gets to work with people he loves. How many tech managers do you know who are getting $500K job offers with only one informal interview? I guarantee you there's not that many. Do you want to learn the same strategies that Ravi used to upgrade his tech career? Then I want you to check out my presentation right now. I want you to click on the link under this video. You're going to be taken to the sign up page where you can sign up and get a 24-hour pass to watch the presentation. Put in your name and your email and start watching. I share the strategies that our tech manager clients use to command salaries of $200K, $300K or more without sacrificing their integrity or authenticity. These are the same exact strategies that our client Chloe used. Chloe is a senior director of analytics. She watched this very same presentation that you're about to watch. She put those strategies into practice, and today she's not only working in her dream job, she also started her own side business that's thriving. And in her job, she got to build an 8-person analytics team from scratch. In her side business, she's providing analytics and data science consulting services. She's loving every bit of her newfound abundance and freedom. So again, click the link under this video and go to the sign up page. Sign up for your 24-hour pass and sit down, grab something to take notes with, and watch the training because it has the power to change your career and your life. Our client Chuck watched the same exact presentation. In a matter of just 8 weeks, he went from being an underpaid, burnt out tech manager working 2 jobs to being a COO with a $200K salary and tons of work-life balance. He now has 10 to 15 hours more per week to spend with his family. Our client Leon also overcame some major obstacles. Before working with us, he was blindsided, fired from his job after being constantly told that he was the best manager they ever had. He was jobless and without the resources to find a new one. We helped him refocus on his dream, get over the betrayal of being fired, and land a new tech leadership job with a 60% raise. So look, it doesn't matter if you've been underpaid, overworked, and under-recognized for years. It doesn't even matter how long you've been leading. Maybe you're a seasoned IT manager, or you're a mid-career product manager, or maybe you're a tech lead who's new to people management. Whatever it is, you need to click the link under this video and sign up to watch the presentation because it's going to show you how to build your dream tech career. I have been so fortunate to build my own dream, and I've done this with my husband, Rob. After spending about 20 years upgrading his own career from software developer to VP of engineering, we retired him to join me full-time at the People Stack, where we've had the honor and the privilege of helping hundreds of tech managers build their dream careers. Follow in their footsteps. Click the link under this video and sign up to watch the free training. This presentation has the power to change your career and your life, just like it's done for hundreds of tech managers who we've helped earn 30, 40, even 50% raises while gaining back time every single week. Click the link under this video and register right now.